Look no further than the 2019 Mazda CX-3. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Sporty athleticism meets upscale refinement in the multi-talented CX-3. This playful subcompact packs crossover convenience with an upscale feel, an agile, controlled ride, and standard touchscreen infotainment. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, heated mirrors, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, Bluetooth connection. Crossover convenience meets pure driving pleasure in this exhilarating CX-3. See for yourself when you take it out for a road test. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.